Good morning, children, and welcome to Science Week. Hooray! Lots of cheers, streamers, all of that. There is lots going to be going on in the school this week. There will be science experiments going on reception in Key Stage 1 and in Key Stage 2. In Key Stage 1, we have got questions of the day that we'll be discussing. I've got some questions for both Year 1 and Year 2 to be discussing. We have got some science experiments which I'm going to film alongside with the other teachers in Year 1 and Year 2, different science activities that you can have a go. We will be doing them in school, but you will have a chance to do them at home as well. So watch this space. And then throughout the school is the big, I need a drum roll, the big experiment of which biscuit is the best dunker. In other words, we are going to do a super big science experiment, and we are going to use 3 biscuits, and we're going to dunk them into, well, I've got a nice hot cup of tea here, my science equipment, into a hot drink, and see how many dunks it takes before the biscuit breaks. Now, you'll be trying this in school with different biscuits for different classrooms. So for your equipment, as I said, hot cup of tea, you will need 3 different sorts of biscuits. And this is Mrs Bostrom's favourites. So we have got rich tea biscuit. Apparently a drink is too wet without one. This is my number 1 biscuit that I shall be trying. Then in second place, my second favourite biscuit, surprisingly, is arrowroot biscuits. I'm going to try that as my second dunker. And then, by no means least, my third favourite biscuit is a ginger nut. Now, currently, these are the ones that I'm loving. And so this is my third biscuit. Now, obviously, if you're trying this at home, you may well be trying different biscuits. But here is my equipment all ready to go. The last thing that's on my equipment list is some spare kitchen towel in case of mishaps. I probably need a spoon, but we'll worry about that then. So, without further ado, let's have a look what we've got to do. So, we needed to write the biscuits in each column. So I will put the names of the biscuits I've shown you in that column. And at the bottom, I'm going to work out which biscuit is the best for dunking. So it says number of dunks before the biscuit broke. Now, I'm not going to give too much of a game away, but I will do 1 to get you started. And then you'll have to watch to see what happens with the others. So here we are. I have a nice hot cup of tea here. If you're going to use a hot drink at home, make sure an adult's with you, or maybe just use some warm water or even cold. Here is biscuit number 1. This is a rich tea biscuit. Apparently, it can go for a long time. Now, at home, you might want to time this. As I'm filming it, I have a timer on my screen, so I will let you know how long we go. So here we go. We're going to dunk it in once. I'm going to lift it out. It's still intact. It's looking good. Dare I lean it? Oh, I'm going to hold it that way, see if it falls over. Can we dunk in again? It's the second dunk. Oh, it's bending. It's bending. Third dunk. Oh, it's going. Oh, it's gone. That's it. So for me, my first biscuit, 3 dunks. Now, that's what I'll be writing down. I've got my second biscuit here. But you'll have to wait and find out or try the experiment yourself at home. Have a great science week. Please try lots of experiments. I'm going to try and film a few more in a minute and get them on to the class page, and equally so are some of the other teachers throughout the school. Have a fab week, and if you do some other science experiments outside of school, please send your photos in, send your emails in, tell us what you've been doing. It's a super time for Knightlow to be celebrating science. Thank you. Bye.